how to fix blacklist on iPhone and iPad without PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, a lot of you have been complaining about seeing the error of the app that can't be installed because the integrity could not be verified. So, I will be showing you guys why this occurs and how to get rid of it. The reason you see that even after following the video correctly indicates your device is blacklisted. Now, this can happen when you have tried something similar before, like followed a different tutorial or attempted to install apps like eSign, Scarlet or Feather. Now, to actually very simple to get rid of it. First, you have to back up your iPhone or iPad if you have anything important saved. And then after that, you simply want to go to your settings and then go to General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone and just click on Erase all content and settings. Now just follow the on-screen instructions, and once it has been factory reset, your device should be good to go. I'm sure the tutorials will work. So that's basically how you can fix blacklist on iPhone and iPad without PC. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.